So in this video, we're going to go ahead and replace a starter on this 18 horse Murray 42-inch riding mower. So the first thing you need to do is get this cover off. On the back, you're going to have two 10mm bolts, and on the front, you have these guys, and those are T40 Torx bits right there. So you get those guys off. I already loosened the back ones off, so I'll just take this whole thing, put it off to the side. And here you can see the starter is exposed. It's really easy to get to. All right, so when you go to buy the starter, there's two different styles that I found. One is like this, and the mount is just a stamped metal piece, and the other one is an aluminum piece. You know, it's like a cast aluminum, so be sure you double check, make sure which one you have. If you have the metal one, I got this guy right here. I'll have the link down in the description. So just make it easier for you to just grab it and go. So the first thing we got to do is disconnect the battery cable there. This guy looks like he's an 11mm. That's kind of interesting. Maybe that's the problem all along. It was just loose. Anyways, we'll just keep going. Double check. We'll see. Looks the same size as the front. Yeah, it's a T40, but this guy here is going to be a pain in the butt to get to. I'll get to the one I can reach first. All right, so this one here was kind of a pain in the butt, if you can't tell. I couldn't quite get a 40 in there, but I did realize that's also a 13mm bolt, so I was able to get an end wrench in here. There wasn't a whole lot of room to work with. You might want to remove this heat shield here, but other than that, it came out just fine. And now we get to put in the new one. So I got the new one here. Put this guy in first. Now I'm just using the flathead just to get it snug. I'll go ahead and get this guy in. Okay, so that guy's tight, this guy's tight. And the last thing is to hook up this battery connection. All right, there you go, done. We'll go ahead and try it out. You know, properly working this guy should just go up, hit the flywheel, turn it, or flex plate, whatever you want to call it. And it'll be good. So we'll go ahead and get that thing going and test it out. All right, here we go. All right, and there you have it. It runs perfectly well now. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. Till next time, keep kicking up dust. Faux shizzle.